Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Hey man, it's Saturday afternoon. Tomorrow's Father's Day. And in the same way that I wish all the mothers happy Mother's Day a while back, I want to give a shout out to all the fathers out there. I'm not saying you got a harder job than mothers out there, but just thinking about my dad, thinking about my two grandfathers. Obviously, they passed away, but the influence that they were in my life, the positive influence they were, I was fortunate to have a good group of uncles around me, male, well, of course, grandfathers are males, but just a lot of good role models. So anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99. Call your father, text your father, write your father a letter, do something, but let him know how much you love him. That's the video. Love y'all. Bye-bye.